1. Anatomy of a cell, prokaryote versus eukaryote. Question: which of the following structures is found in eukaryotic cells but is absent in prokaryotic cells? A. Ribosome. B. Cell membrane. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoplasm. Answer: C. Explanation: the nucleus is a characteristic feature of eukaryotic cells, where it houses the cell's genetic material. Prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria, lack a membrane-bound nucleus. Instead, their genetic material is found in the nucleoid region. Ribosomes, cell membranes, cytoplasm, and flagella are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, though their structure and function may differ between the two. 2. Borrelia burgdorferi, Lyme disease. Question: which of the following characteristics is true for Borrelia burgdorferi, the causative agent of Lyme disease? A. It is a gram-positive bacterium with a thick peptidoglycan layer. B. It has a single circular chromosome and lacks a cell wall. C. It is a spirochete with a unique axial filament for motility. D. It is an obligate intracellular bacterium, unable to survive outside host cells. E. It has a double-stranded RNA genome. Answer: C. It is a spirochete with a unique axial filament for motility. Explanation: Borrelia burgdorferi is a spirochete bacterium characterized by its spiral shape and the presence of an axial filament, endoflagellum, that allows for unique motility. It is gram-negative and has a relatively thin peptidoglycan layer, not the thick one typical of gram-positive bacteria. Unlike obligate intracellular bacteria, Borrelia burgdorferi can survive in the extracellular environment, such as in the tick vector and human host. It has a single circular chromosome, but it does not lack a cell wall. 3. Mycoplasma. Question: which of the following features distinguishes Mycoplasma species from most other bacteria? A. Presence of a cell wall composed of peptidoglycan. B. Ability to produce spores under adverse conditions. C. Absence of a cell wall and membrane structure composed primarily of sterols. D. Double-stranded DNA genome with a plasmid replication system. E. Ability to utilize oxygen for energy production. C. Absence of a cell wall and membrane structure composed primarily of sterols. Explanation: Mycoplasma species are unique in that they lack a cell wall, which is characteristic of most bacteria. Instead, their cell membrane contains sterols, which are typically found in eukaryotic cells. This lack of a cell wall makes them resistant to antibiotics that target the peptidoglycan layer, e.g., penicillins. Unlike most bacteria, Mycoplasma species do not produce spores, and they often rely on host organisms for growth.